What are the health risks of overdrinking water? Drinking too much water, more than the recommended amount, can lead to overdose, which may result in weaknesses, vomiting, swelling of skin, and even fatality caused by overdrinking water. Overhydration of the body. So, for adults, please remember to drink only 6 to 8 small glasses of water per day. Thank you. Is it okay to drink more than the recommended amount of water? Drinking enough water offers health benefits. However, drinking too much water, such as 3 to 4 liters per day, in short periods, may lead to water intoxication. For proper metabolism, a normal human body requires about 2 liters of water. 6 to 8 small glasses of water per day is enough.